guys, how's it going? What's up, what's new? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a product review. Since this whole COVID thing has happened, I have been looking for affordable makeup. The best place to look is Amazon. So I did find this beauty, no pun intended, Beauty Glazed liquid lipsticks. You do get about 6 lipsticks and I believe they're mini ones, but why not? It's a good sample pack. The colors are Exposed, Dolce K, Koko K, Candy K, Kristen, and Leo. Really curious to see how this is actually gonna go. So, it is rated 3.8 out of 5 stars, so I guess that's okay. Out of 1,620 people. And it's only $12.99. Sounds pretty good to me. Let's jump into this review, shall we? So here we are. Pretty fancy. Packaging is not that bad actually for $12.99. I've seen more expensive brands have uglier packaging. So this is the packaging. It's gold tube and it's tiny and it says hissing on it. It's so cute. I really don't have much for lips, so I apologize if this is not the greatest lip try on. I do have a lower lip, but not so much for an upper lip. So the first one is Exposed. This one looks quite nude, it's quite pale. A little bit on the peachy pink side, I would say. Actually, this is just more on the peach side. Oh, here we go. Okay. Okay. It smells like chocolate. Interesting. Okay, so not so much on the peach side. A little on the orange side. This is very, very new. It is sticky. Yeah, it's sticky. I don't know about that, but the color is not that bad as it's drying. I definitely would have to use a lip gloss over top of this. First one's a fail. Oh my god, and it's hard to take off. Oh no. My lips are gonna be so dry after this. Next is Dolce K. Dolce K? Dolce K. Dolce K, I'm not 100% sure. This one looks like a nudie brownie orange color. I would say it's kind of like a darker version of the one we just tried on. This one smells like chocolate too. I will say though, the applicators are quite nice on these. So that is Dolce K. No. Again, the same feeling on this one. Very sticky. This is definitely more on the brown orange side. That is for sure. This one is Koko K. This actually looks like a really pretty color. We'll see how it goes. Whenever I hear Koko K, I think of, what's her name? Khloe Kardashian. That's it. Okay. Okay, I like this one. Okay, I really like this one. This one's a pretty color. This one is very pretty. I do like it a lot, but it still has that sticky feeling. So I feel like there's gonna be a sticky feeling for all of these. So let's just get that part of the way. Next up is Candy K. This one is definitely nude on the pink side. This might be one of my favorites. Yep, I was right. Can never go wrong with the nude. This one I really do like. It is very pretty. I think a little bit of a nice lip gloss on top of it too. Next is called Kristen. This one is, I would say, kind of like a pinky red color. Oh, goodness. I went out the lines there a little bit, but whatever. This one in the tube, very deceiving. It is definitely like a red. It's a red. It's a pretty red though, but it would work. Last one out of this set is Leo. It's Leo. This one looks very vampy. Could be really sexy. Oh, yeah. It is very beautiful. It's vampy. I do think though that you would need a lip liner for sure with this one. I wish I could just keep this one on. Bye, vampy. The reds with the Beauty Glaze set are way easier to take off than the nudes, and they actually don't feel as sticky as the other one. Interesting. So that is my quick review on these liquid lipsticks. Now, would I recommend them? If you are starting off, this is a great kit. They do have really good applicators on their lipsticks. They do have also really nice colors like this one right here, Koko K. That I would say is probably my favorite out of this whole collection. Then again, Nappy Red was really sexy. If you think that you can handle the drying, then these are pretty good. If you can't, I would not get them. But I would sacrifice that for this beautiful color. Anyways, I'm out. I will see you guys in my next video.